Hello everybody. Do you have some difficulties in using these three words? Both, either, and neither? Now watch this video until the end and I'm sure and certain that you're gonna be blessed. And after this video, you are going to know a lot of things about those three words. I'm Jansen by the name. I'm from FCS, which stands for Ready to Success. Without losing much time, I'm going to start immediately with the first words. And the first words here is both. We use this both to talk about two people or things together. Like for instance, I can say Anifa and Sylvia are both girls. Instead of saying Anifa, Sylvia are both girls, I may only say both are girls. I said both are girls because that's both. If we use the both with a noun that comes immediately after both, that noun must be in a plural. And so we can also use both ends. Both Anifa and Sylvia are girls. Apart from it, we use both with a plural noun. And outside, you cannot also use this both with a plural noun, but also both using ends. As I gave the as I've been giving an example there before. Like both Jansen and Precious are teachers. In this sentence here, I use both and. When it comes for using both with a noun that comes immediately after that's both, that noun must be now plural. Like for example, both pens are mine. I have two pens here, okay? I'm not going to say like this is my pen and this is my pen. Why can't I say both pens are mine? So I mean all of these pens are mine. Now, let's go with either. For this one, you can whether say either or either. It depends upon the pronunciation you need to get. Now, this either or is used to talk about things or people when you're given the choice. It only means one or the other. To mean you can have two things and you need to make a choice between those two things. You are going to choose one. Then if you need to express it with good English, with good grammar, there we can use either. Like for example, either theory or Peter will respond to my question. In that sentence over there, not all of them are going to respond to my question, but only one person is going to respond to my question. However, there is notice here. In the sentence, my father doesn't love me, my mother either. In that sentence, either doesn't mean one doesn't love me, but it only means that all of those two people. Lastly, let's talk about neither. This neither is used to make a choice between two things or two people, but in a negative alternative to mean not the one or the other in some different options. For example, my brother Fury can save neither his mother nor his wife. To mean, in that sentence here, brother Theory has a choice of saving. To summarize everything, I'm going to give you some key differences. Both is used to talk about two people or two things together. Now, either it is used to talk about one of two things or two people, and neither it is used to talk about not one nor the other. So I thought you could appreciate this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment while not sharing with others. Thank you very much. Let's meet for another time.